AWS reInvent. I'm Cassidy Quinn with GeekWire Studios. So honored to be joined today by Beall, the Chief Revenue Officer of Cohesity. How is your reInvent going so far?
Well, it's going great, Cassidy. It is a busy day. I stood in a long line for coffee and a long line to get in here, so you know something hot is happening here.
Absolutely. Well, let's talk about what's hot with Cohesity. You guys have had a great relationship with AWS for years, right?
It's a 5-year relationship. We've done a tremendous amount together, both on the technical side as well as on the commercial side. So it really allows us to unlock the potential, not just of how to protect and secure data, but how to make it easy to consume and help our customers and our collective customers together with AWS do more and do it faster.
Wow, yeah, do more, do it faster. It sounds simple, but not at all also. So let's talk about Cohesity Turing integration with Amazon Bedrock. How does that benefit AWS customers?
Well, it's a massive innovation for us. We announced Turing back in the summer, and Turing is our AI suite. And we've been really excited about what it means to bring RAG and the ability to leverage data to our customers. Because we're a data management security company, unlocking that data is a huge value. But now we bring it on top of Bedrock, and we can leverage the Amazon ecosystem, and it opens up a huge potential where we can have our customers doing new things that they never even considered previously with their backup data. All of a sudden that backup data, that secondary storage, becomes something of real value, and not just for doing cool things like looking at your backup and doing security and all those important things, but actually bring real business value into the frame here. So we are super excited to be working with AWS on Bedrock. It's going to accelerate this whole industry, we believe.
So you mentioned generative AI. How does that play into the offerings from Cohesity?
Generative AI, I think it's you pardon the pun, it's a generational shift, right? It's a technology shift, and we're never going back from here. And basically it means that we're going to be able to open up data to asking questions about data. And so we think about this, and usually we kind of come up with, summarize some analyst reports or whatever, but every customer I talk to has a new, interesting, unique use case. And what we're really focused on is getting the freshest data, that snapshot data, making it available for augmented, generated, I always get the term wrong, RAG, generative AI, excuse me. But we make it available for generative AI to be able to go get those insights right out of that data. And it's, like I said, it's the freshest copy, it's the fastest and most efficient way to do it.
Yeah, wow. So it sounds like, you've just been listing reasons that customers might want to use Cohesity. But if a business owner is watching this right now, what are some of the reasons? Why should they try Cohesity?
Well, 2 or 3 key things for us. One is about speed and scale. Right? So these data sets that we're talking about are massive, and speed and scale are critical components of being able to actually leverage this for AI. Right? If you've got petabytes worth of data, you need the ability to quickly get access to the right data. And again, leveraging the AWS ecosystem, there are all kinds of tools to help accelerate and leverage GPUs and all these great capabilities. But the second thing is, our customers want to be able to go fast, and they want to do it efficiently, so they can't have huge teams of people off trying to do these things manually. So now what we're doing is we're automating a tremendous amount of that back office work. So I had a customer recently tell me, a bank, that they are using AI to go compare loan documents between different customers, so they can actually look to see what are the terms that you might receive versus somebody else. And this allows them to make better lending decisions and lower their risk and give better rates to the customer. So it's a win-win. And again, that speed and scale, responsible use of the data, segmented, properly managed, huge advantage.
Yeah, thank you for sharing the use case, all the reasons. Thank you so much, Beall, Chief Revenue Officer for Cohesity. I'm Cassidy Quinn. Thank you for joining us here at AWS reInvent with GeekWire Studios.